Owens a Matty Jones. Paratoi gymryd i gornel. Jones sy'n ei chymryd i! A'r penniad i mewn gan Ryan Sears sy'n rhoi y Drenewydd ar y blaen. Jamie Cumming. Troi, taro'r bel yn hir yn ymgyrchol. Yn canfod Matty Hill! A mae rhif 10 Bae Colwyn wedi dod ar ymwelwyr yn gyfartal. Y gic hir i lawr y cae gan Jamie Cumming. Ac ar ôl iddo sgorio a chreu gol pen wsos dwytha. Y Matty Hill wedyn i oni'r sgôr. Downs ymlaen at Acpan, mae Creedy rwan. Ystyried mynd un ffordd. Cael ei orfodi'r ffordd arall gan Dominic Smith. Cyffredeg gan Acpan, Creamer, yn ôl o Twdi Acpan, Wdi Acpan! A mae'r ymwelwyr yn sydyn ar y blaen. Prif sgoriwr y gwylanod yn canfod y rhwyd am y bedwerydd gêm o'r bron. Evans, nôl at Robles. Bas fach at Henry Cowens, croesiad Cowens! A pwy arall, ond am Aaron Williams, oedd yno i nioni'r sgôr. McCready. Cowens ymlaen at Rob Evans. Bel tu ôl i Robles, ond yn canfod Aaron Williams! 2 gol mewn munud i'r Drenewydd. Ac Aaron Williams sydd wedi cael y 2. Matty Hill. Codi'r bel i lwybr Alex Downs. Croesiad Downs. O'n awthiad. Matty Hill at i'r llawr. Oedd cefnogwyr yr ymwelwyr tu ôl y gol. Yn sicr y dylai di bod yn gic o'r smotyn. Louis Robles yn paratoi gymryd y gic. Robles yn taro drawst. Fio bron i Louis Robles. Sgorio'r bedwaredd i'r Drenewydd. Penniad Downs. Bel yn ôl at Alex Downs gan Acpan. Downs yn codi ben. Croesiad isel at Acpan! Yr arbediad o Wycherley, ail gyfla! Ond Ergi Turner sy'n newydd ddod ymlaen yn cael ei rhwystro. A mae Drenewydd yn torri rwan efo Louis Robles. Robles yn ymlwybro ymlaen at y gwrt Cosby. Croesiad Cowens! Ismail a Louis Robles sy'n canfod y rhwyd yn y pen draw. Y chwarae yn llifo o un ochr i'r cae i'r llall ac yn dod i ben efo gol gan Louis Robles i bedwaredd o'r tymor a mae tair oedd nhw wedi dod yn erbyn Bae Colwyn.
You know, I'm a very proud manager tonight because that's a really big win for us to come back 2-1 and score 3 goals in the second half and probably could have scored 5 or 6, you know, against a side who's on a good run at the moment, and to play in that manner and the way that the chance that we created, I thought we were excellent, really good.
I thought we started the game really well and I thought we were excellent for 45 minutes. Well, the better team, you know, I think they scored, you know, a little bit against the run of play, but the desire and courage to come back and score 2 fantastic goals. First half was what we deserved for all the hard work, and then we come in at half time and then we didn't come back out. You know, they were the better team second half by a mile, on the front foot. You know, we didn't have the, like I talked about, the courage then to go and actually play. Thought we forced things, which credit to them as well, they put us under pressure. But again, the 2 goals in quick succession is not good enough for our level.
Brilliant game, it was great advert for Welsh football, very end to end, 6 goals throughout the game, momentum shifts, and yeah, just a brilliant game to be part of.
And a hard-fought win, and I felt, you know, that yourself and the rest of the team showed some real character, having gone 2-1 behind to grind out the victory.
Yeah, fair play to Colwyn Bay. They put us under the cosh last 5-10 minutes of the first half, and at half time it could have went two ways really. Luckily the reaction was really good and we managed to shift momentum again into our favour and get the 3 goals that won us the game.
Despite losing today, it seems that, well, going forward at least, you're a team who's full of confidence.
Yeah, you know, the period we've been on, you know, we can be nothing but confident, but it's you know, it's happened all the way through the season. Them little moments and high pressure moments we've got to be better in, and today we weren't in that second half. But you know, we'll learn from it. We'll dust ourselves down and we'll go again, ready for, you know, a break from the league, for our cup game next week against Barry.
Good day for us. You know, Aaron scoring again, Louis scoring. You know, testament to what we've got. You know, Aaron could have come off at half time. Look, he took a knock just beyond the stroke of half time when they scored their second goal. He was down, but you know, he wanted to get himself back out there and you know, scored the 2 goals that were vital for us today and got us back in front. And then you know, I thought we controlled the game well from there.